Hello, I'm going to say a few words about safety out here in the bush. There are certain things that are essential to have with you if you want to get back to camp safely and go home. Very, very easy to get lost out here. So, in order to prevent getting lost, we use one of these things. This is a Garmin. It's a GPS unit. This is quite a large one. You can get much more compact units which will show you where you are, but the first thing that you have got to do is you've got to zero it on your camp or the vehicle or wherever you have left from, within walking distance that is. Now the reason for doing that is you can get lost in the bush about 50 meters from camp. For us people from the northern hemisphere, it's very, very easy to mix up east and west, north and south, and to go off at an angle that you shouldn't be going off at. So one of these is absolutely essential. The other thing you can do with it is you can mark on waypoints of locations that you want to visit when you're out in the bush. Now there is a process for putting those in. Basically you would look at the map, you would pick the coordinates off the map, and then you would put them into the GPS unit so you know when you leave camp you can make a beeline for the waypoint, or even you can set up a track, a series of several waypoints, so that you can visit those in sequence. They may be viewpoints, they could be camping places if indeed you're camping, or they could be geological features that you want to visit when you're out prospecting. As well as this, I always carry a backup. This is what they call a Backtrack. It's a very simple instrument. It straps on, it's got a gap in the bottom there, straps onto a rucksack or onto a belt, or you can carry it in your pocket. And again, it is absolutely essential that you set it to where your vehicle is or where your camp is. So you've got to remember to do that. It's reassuring to have this because the big units, these ones, can be quite thirsty on batteries, but this one, doesn't matter if you switch it off, it knows where you've set it to, and then it knows from the satellites upstairs, up there, it knows where you are, and it just points in the direction that you need to go to find your way home safely. Now, as well as the GPS, what we always carry is one of these. It's a UHF radio, and it means that team members can keep in touch with one another, although they're separated sometimes by up to 10 kilometers. We operate on a non-standard channel, and when I say non-standard, there are certain channels which are used for various usages. For example, the road information channel, channel 40, there's an emergency channel, but we choose a fairly obscure channel in Australia to choose from, and we just happen to choose one which we use now. The advantage with using the small power units is that what we're talking about between the team doesn't get out from the area of the bush that we're in. If we were using more powerful ones, such as 10 watt or higher, then the signals may get out and other prospectors or people on the local station would hear what we're up to, and we really don't want to share that information. There is an encryption that you can put on as well. You can do channel 19.5 or whatever, and then it narrows down the channel right to a very, very narrow bandwidth. So radio, absolutely essential. Always carry spare batteries. As with the GPS, have a backup. We use rechargeable ones, but I still carry a set of batteries in my pocket just in case that goes down. Finally, for this session, we take that for granted, water. But out here, it's thirsty work. It can get hot, it can get up into the 30s and in some areas into the 40s. So we carry water with us. This bottle has got a filter built in, and it just simply flips up. The idea of the filter is that you can put non-potable, non-drinking water into it, and the filter will clean up the water so that it's safe to drink and you're not going to get ill or pick up a tummy bug. I always fill it up in the morning when I go out, carry it in my pocket, and I take the odd sip. And if I need to, I can fill it up in a puddle or a creek, but we like to collect rainwater and potable water and keep that in camp. And this is it. So drink it that way round. Cheers to you.